Guess what we're drawing today? Today we're drawing a super fun, sunny beach adventure. Grab your markers and let's go to the beach. Let's start high up in the sky with a big, round, bright sun. It has two cute little eyes and a big, happy smile. Look, Flix, its sun rays are dancing around the sun. Whoa! Now, let's draw a little palm tree. Some big tropical leaves. A short trunk.
Subscribe.
And some details. It is so cute. Let's draw an even bigger palm tree on the other side. Big leaves. Some coconuts. A strong trunk. Some details. Perfect. Now, let's draw the soft beach sand. Nice and smooth. Time for some beach fun on the sand. Let's build a big sandcastle.
Subscribe.
Towers, walls, and a little flag waving right on top. Some windows and a big doorway. Would you like to live there, Flix? Me too! And what do we need to build the sandcastle? A toy shovel, of course. Next comes the beautiful sea. Draw a nice wavy line. The water looks calm today. Look, Flix, what's floating there? An inflatable flamingo. It looks so cozy floating on the waves. And it's smiling too. It must be very happy. Flix, where is our flamingo? Oh yes, it's surfing in the waves. Watch out for the waves when you are swimming too, friends. Up in the sky, let's draw two sweet birds flying together. A mommy bird and her baby flying beside her. Their wings are moving. They are alive. Look, Flix, down on the warm sand, a friendly little starfish. It is dancing for us, and right beside it, let's add two different seashells to make our beach even more beautiful. Add some details and our drawing is finished. Now, for my absolute favorite part. Let's color our beach day. Let's begin with the sun, a bright red mouth, a glowing happy yellow. So shiny and warm.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
For the palm trees, We can use bright green to color the leaves.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon.
Strong brown for the trunks.
To my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
And red for the little cute coconuts.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my
They look so exotic. Right, Flix? I know. This beach is super fun. We'll come again, Flix. Don't worry.
my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Now, a bright red for a little starfish.
My darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my
Let's color the sand with a warm golden yellow.
skip to my Lou.
Now, here is an interesting fact about our beach. Flix, did you know that parrotfish actually help make white sand on tropical beaches by crunching on coral? Isn't that awesome? Nature is amazing. At Andy and Flix, you learn something new with every drawing. Then we color the sea. Deep blue. So refreshing and cool. Now for the sandcastle. Bright orange walls with a vibrant red flag on top. It looks ready for a king and queen. The toy shovel gets a red scoop and a cool green handle. And for our floating flamingo, a bold, beautiful magenta body. So vibrant and happy. Finally, our flying friends. Mommy bird gets yellow hair and a pink body. And her little baby gets a matching sweet pink body. And our sunny beach is finished. Look how colorful it is. It makes me want to go swimming right now. See you next time. Bye.
Andy and Flix.